Good morning, this is Keith All and welcome back. Today we're going to do a two-part mini-series on creating your own legal pages within the Builderall platform. So first of all, what we're going to learn to do is create individual pages for our website, and each page will include like privacy policy terms of website use, disclaimer, or frequently asked questions. And what's nice about Builderall is they already have panels created for us with this terminology in there. So all we have to do is just create the page, add that specific panel, and we're done. Other than the fact that you may want to double check the language that's in each page and modify it to your business. So what I'm going to do is we're going to work on the privacy policy page, and everything that I'm doing here, you just have to duplicate it for these other three pages. I've already done everything necessary for the other pages. So let's go ahead and click on edit page. Once you create your website, just go ahead and click on edit page. And give it a second to load up. We're going to add a panel, and this page right now is called privacy policy. So I'm going to go over here to the right, click on add, and it's going to be under panels. And let's scroll down to where we see legal pages right here. And as you can see on the right, Builderall has done the work for us where they created a template basically for each one of these pages. So I'm just going to click on privacy policy, and there you have it. And that is what is needed to create this particular privacy policy page. Of course, please go through the terminology carefully to see if it suits your business. And also you could swap out this image. So the rest of these elements on this particular panel are just text elements. So you just have to edit it to suit your business. Again, with the same thing with the image element. So what I'm going to do is then I'm going to click on save. Okay. Click close. And what I'm going to do up front is we're also going to learn that we could take this particular page and have it made available to any other website that we're working on. So in order to do that, we're going to click on the panel element first. And the panel element again includes these text elements and the image elements. We're going to click on save. And we're going to save as personal element. We're going to name it. I'm going to say global privacy policy legal page. And it saved the elements. Remember to resave your page. Okay, and we're going to close out of this. And you'll see in a little bit in the second part of this series how we utilize those personal elements that we're saving. So let's go back home. Okay, we're still within this website. Now what we want to do is we want to be able to add a footer to each one of these pages. But instead of going into each individual page and adding a footer, we're going to add a global footer. And then we're going to be able to have that global footer available to us for each one of these pages. And I'll show you how to do that right now. So we're going to come over here on the left, under Global Elements, we're going to select footers. We're going to create a new footer. We're going to call this Global Legal Pages Footer. Click on Save. We're going to edit the footer. We're going to add a panel. Give it a second to load up. Okay. We're going to go down to and select the footer. And here, Builderall has put in predefined template footers. And you can select any one of them and modify them to your liking. We're going to go ahead and select, I think, let's see. Let's go ahead and select this one. Okay. And again, you can modify this however you want. Remember to put your company name down here. Here's the menu, and now we're going to edit this menu. So it says privacy policy, frequently asked questions, disclaimer, etc. So we're going to go ahead and click on the menu element, click on configure items. And then we're going to edit all these labels. So we're going to go over here to the right, click on the pencil icon, and we're going to select privacy policy. Okay. Save. We're going to go to the next one. We don't want any submenus under this menu item here, so we're just going to go ahead and delete this. Click on Save, Edit. Third one is Disclaimer. And then, let's see, we don't want any submenu items. We're going to go ahead and delete it. Delete it. Now save. And then the last one is frequently asked questions. And again, we don't want any submenus underneath this. Click on delete. Click save. And we don't have any use for this last main menu item, so we're just going to come over here and delete it. Let's go ahead and click on save. Let's center this item. Center it. Okay. Now we want to link up these individuals menu items to the pages. So whenever the user hovers over these menu items, it's going to give them the option to click on it, and it will open up each individual page. So we're going to re-edit this menu item, click on configure items, and we're going to click on this chain link icon, and it's a page, and then we're going to open it in the same tab, meaning once we click on it, it won't open up into a new browser tab. It will open up in the same tab that you're on in your browser. Do the same thing here. This is terms of website use. And we'll do the last one. Let's go ahead and page. we're going to save it. Now we're going to save this. It's fine. Let's go back. Remember, whenever you make any changes to your global elements, you will always want to come up here to upper right and click on Republish your website. And the site is republished. So at this point, we got the footer set up, and now what we want to do is the next thing that we're going to do is link each page, make the global footer available to each page. So we're going to do that in the next video, along with showing you how you can make then these pages and the particular footer that we set up available to another website by saving these items as your personal items. So I'll see you on the next video, and also please remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification if you want to be alerted whenever I have a new video ready. And also please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.